Holy crap. This chop sucks, whoever did it. This was going to be a vintage camper car build. I thought it'd be cool to do some sort of bed sink, a rocket stove in here, and drag it out on a piece of property and vintage camper car. It dawned on me that I found a license plate for this, and I got a clean title. I've got a clean registration forever. I must have, when I purchased this way back in the day, I transferred everything. I got a good tag. I got a good registration. Man, so I mean, what a waste to turn into a camper car. But it would cost way too much money to build this thing the traditional way. It just really would. And back in the day, I'm going to sound like an old man now, but back in the day, I took a 41 Chevy and put it on a different structure, and it worked great. And I know that recycle, reuse, that's the way to go to save money. So I tossed the idea around in my mind for a minute. I still was at the camper car thing, but I came across something to make life super easy, and I kind of thought it might be a fun build. Let me show you. Ooga! Ooga! You picking up what I'm putting down? What do you think? Rat rod or camper car? The great part is it's already been butchered. So what more can we do to it? Let's cut it up.